bristles are very unique and they're super soft. Hey guys, for Mother's Day we weren't able to get both our moms together at the same time. Our schedules just did not meet up. Originally we wanted to take both of them out for an early dinner, but instead we're going to be spending time with them separately. So for my mother-in-law, we are bringing her lunch to work and we're going to spend some time with her. I made her a local brunch spread, which I'll show you before we leave the house. I woke up a little bit early to start making or prepping our brunch. I'm gonna just put my hair up in a ponytail. All right, let's head out. For our Mother's Day lunch with Rustin's mom, I made some sushi bake or sushi rice. This is crab meat with a mayo sour cream mixture that is broiled over some hot rice, and we eat that with some roasted sesame nori. And then I made this little platter of mini spam musubis and spicy ahi summer rolls. For the wrapper, it is a rice paper. This one is my favorite brand that I like to use. And then for dessert, just something simple. I just made some Rice Krispie treats, which I colored in teal. Okay, now we're gonna go meet up with my parents. We're gonna take my mom out for dinner for Mother's Day. With my sister and my niece and nephew. They just got here and they brought us some Starbucks.
Hi, Auntie Sally.
Hi. This is my niece Kaylee. There's the sister. That's a cute pineapple bag.
That's for rice.
I'm folding clothes, Marie Kondo style. I will never fold my clothes differently ever again. What I like to do while I'm folding clothes is watch my favorite YouTubers. One of them being It's Judy's Life. I have it on my laptop right now. I know a lot of people watch It's Judy's Life. Comment down below if you are one of them. Thanks for the Starbucks.
Do I have to? I just can't work.
So we have here
Skylar's Cotton Candy Frappuccino.
Cotton Candy Frappuccino.
AKA it's vanilla bean with raspberry syrup.
Okay. Vanilla bean with raspberry syrup. We got brown sugar milk tea. It's a new recipe from Starbucks. This is a cotton candy. Rustin likes the black tea lemonade. My niece and Shaylin likes their pink drink. My son loves his strawberry frap. And my go-to drink, iced coffee with 4 pumps of white mocha and a sweet cream foam on light ice. Oh, sugars.
This is good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Happy Aloha Friday.
Happy cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
My sister just showed me another super adorable pineapple bag by Aloha Collection. They have really nice bags. Go check them out. The first gift I'm gonna show you is from my son. This is some sunflowers. He knows that it's my favorite flower and it actually was the theme of our wedding. On top of the flowers, he did make me a Mother's Day card, which are my favorite gifts of all time. I definitely keep all the handmade cards. The other thing he got from me, which I thought was really cute, this is a multi-function mini fan. And it's a fan, a flashlight, and a portable charger. Everybody could use this. So you open it up like this. And then there's a button here. And then it's a fan. Actually, it's pretty nice right now. It goes up a speed. It has a USB port here so that you can use it as a portable charger. Also a flashlight. I have to figure out how to work that. How do you work this? Oh shoot, it's like... Oh, there. And then it's a flashlight. It's a very useful little tool. And I think it has bear ears, which I think are adorable. He got this off Amazon. Next thing I'm gonna show you is what Shaylin got for me. They happen to be things that I actually needed. So she pays attention to things that I need. This, I thought it was a cup until I read the top and it says push. It's a little rubbish can for your car. And I literally was just telling my husband that I need to put some type of rubbish can in my car because, you know, sometimes napkins, tissues, used face masks that I want to dispose, and it would just be so helpful to have one of these little rubbish cans that fits into the cup holder. I was super happy that she got me this because it is something that I needed. The other thing she got me were these toothbrushes. I never heard of these. Apparently they're well known. They're extremely soft, bristled toothbrushes. They look very different. It has like 1,000 bristles. These bristles are very unique and they're super soft, like really soft to the touch. Reston and I are gonna try it. I told him I want the black one and he's gonna have the white one. Again, something I could totally use. That's Skylar. Come, say hi.
Guys.
Bye. Okay, bye.
Bye. Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
That's my nephew. We're having a little sleepover at our house, so we have a full house right now, and I told them, let me film for just 10 minutes. But of course they couldn't listen. I heard them creeping down the stairs, so they wanted to say hi. Okay, so continuing with what Shaylin got me, so I got the little rubbish can for my car and the extra soft toothbrushes. And then the third item, this was cute. So she took it out of the package and she grabbed all my scrunchies because I actually put my scrunchies on top of my lamp. Like I just put them all on top of the neck of my lamp. And so she took them all off and she gifted me my new scrunchie holder, which is just this clear acrylic stand, and she put my scrunchies on there and it was inside the gift basket. I was like, are these my scrunchies? And she's like, yeah, I put it on top because it's your scrunchie holder. Now you don't need to put it on your lamp. I love it. So simple, but she clearly noticed that I needed one. So love, love, love. I love how they got me things that are all so useful. For 11-year-olds, they have pretty good taste in things, I would say. All right guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and happy belated Mother's Day to all of you beautiful mamas out there. Have a good evening. My light just got brighter all of a sudden, right when I'm done filming. Thank you, light. Oh, you guys wanna see these new house slippers that I got? They're so cute. These super furry house slippers. Do you guys wear house slippers? I do.
Blow drying brushes, Sally. Hey.
They're very soft. Yay, she surprised me and gave me one of the bags. Thank you, sister. Aren't they cute?